Here's how to program the Rainfresh water softener. Now the unit that we're working with today is a 2-tank 30,000 grain water softener, model 30T. So on the display here we have 4 keys: the menu, the set regen, up arrow, and down arrow. So the first thing to do is to press and hold the menu key to unlock the screen. And when the screen is unlocked, you'll hear a beep. Okay, so now we will proceed with programming level 1 settings. And to do so, first press the menu key. You'll hear a beep. It will display the current time. To set the current time, see how it's highlighting the hour? Now if we want to change the hour, simply press the set regen button and the hour will flash. And use the up arrow key, and it's currently 1:15. Now to lock in the hour, press the set regen button again. You'll see that the minutes now flash. So to change the minutes, simply use the up or the down arrow key depending. So our time here is 1:15. Set regen, and you have the opportunity to change AM PM if needed. And to lock that in, press the set regen. Goes back to the hour, but it's not flashing, so that means we can proceed to the current date. Now the date is correct, but for an example, if you would like to change the month, simply press the set regen. The month will flash, and use the up or the down arrow key to change the month. So now we have June. To change the date, you'd press the set regen and it'll advance to the day. And to change the year will flash. And to return to the beginning, so it's not flashing, we can go down to the number of people. And this household has 4 people, so press the set regen first. Number of people will flash. And we'll change that to 4. Press the set regen to lock it in, and we'll go down to the water hardness. Now this household has a water hardness of 25 grains per gallon. To change that, press the set regen. It will flash, and use the up arrow key. Change that to 25. Okay, lock it in. Now, important thing to note here is if you don't know what your water hardness is and you're on a municipally treated supply, you can always contact the municipality or city and ask them for the water hardness in your area. If you're on a private well, then you must have your water tested. Get your water tested for hardness, and then you can accurately program the water softener so that it will work most efficiently and provide soft water. Okay, so now we will go down to the next value, vacation mode. We don't need to change that at this time, so we'll leave it as no. And if you press the down arrow key one more time, it'll take us back to the current time, which is where we started. And to exit, simply press the menu key, and we're back to the main screen. So that's it. You're all set.